If you're curious about slow stitching and what you can create with fabric and thread, you're in the right place. So why do I slow stitch? Because I want to encourage people to stitch for the sake of stitching. There's so many benefits to the simple act of stitching thread into fabric. I strongly believe that slowly and thoughtfully stitching can create a connection to ourselves, to the aliveness of the world around us, and even to each other. I'm hoping that stitching will invite a shift in perspective, a feeling of calm, a sense of peace. And that's why I share all my slow stitching secrets, because I want the same thing for you that I've found in the joy of slow stitching. So please feel welcome and invited to join me in exploring the possibilities with fabric and thread. If you explore my library, you're sure to find some inspiration, whether you're a beginner or an advanced stitcher. I'm glad you're here. Let's do this.